Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious Leche Flan in the oven. To begin, prepare your caramel base directly in an anura or a 6-inch round baking pan. You'll gently heat about half a cup of granulated sugar over medium-low heat until it completely melts and turns a beautiful amber color. Once melted, carefully swirl the pan to ensure the bottom is evenly coated with this warm, liquid caramel. Next, we will prepare our rich custard mixture. In a spacious bowl, combine 10 egg yolks, 1 full can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Incorporate a teaspoon of vanilla extract and just a tiny pinch of salt to truly bring out the flavors. To ensure your flan is incredibly smooth, strain this entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve at least 2 times, removing any possible impurities. With your caramel base ready, carefully pour the strained custard mixture directly into the prepared pan. Make sure to cover the top of your anura or baking pan very tightly with aluminum foil. This step is essential to prevent any water from seeping in during baking. Then, gently place this covered flan pan into a larger baking dish, which will soon hold our important water bath. Now it's time for baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and have some boiling water ready for our water bath. Carefully pour the hot water into the larger baking dish, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the sides of your flan pan. Bake your Leche Flan for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean and perfect. Once baked, remove your Leche Flan from the oven and the hot water bath. Allow it to cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing it to set beautifully. When ready to serve, carefully run a thin knife around the edge, then invert it onto a serving plate for a stunning presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.